note dangka dilet sit ya poisa dangka.
Sweden pa po yan.
He is the shopkeeper in Aizawl, John Marie. He is very careful about currency note and he iron it very carefully.